Hi, it's Jamie at the Bead Gallery, and today we have tin box number 19. And of course, it's filled with some of my favorite things, things that you have never seen before because I forgot we even had them. So it's pretty cool. I have this super cute box. Thank you to Allison for the loaner. She decorated hers, got goodies. Okay, you ready? Let me show you. So in this box, it started off with these crystal quartz. The crystal quartz are tumbled. And they look like soft, super cute. They feel nice ice cubes. So this is something that looks good in any kind of project. Bracelets, knotted, stretchy cord, earrings. Crystal quartz is about harmony, it's an amplifier. So everybody benefits from wearing crystal quartz. Now, it's going to be half a strand that you can pick up if you like one. What is next? Oh my gosh, let's do these. These are pink freshwater pearls. They're really, really cute. Let me measure it for you. They're 5 millimeters, and you get, I think, 9 of them in this bag. These are old stock, and the color is so cute. And it's $5. I thought you would love it, so they made it in today's tin box. 5 millimeter round pink pearls. This is a must get. Okay. Oh, P2083, just by the way. This is granite from K2, the big mountain. And it's azurite in the granite. Now, these are really special. I picked these up in Japan many moons ago. They're faceted, and the blue is so intense. I think you'll love it. You can just get one as a focal, 3. You could do earrings, a necklace, but it's nice to have something that, it's very, very uncommon to have them this intensely dark gray, black, and this splash of blue azurite. Beautiful. So the K2 granite beads are P2094. Look at us spinning along, loving this show. Look at these. I found them. I'm so stoked. This was almost a no share because I like them so much. They are freshwater pearls, 8 millimeter, olive green, but look at how beautiful the color is. They're so lustrous, and they're like $4 each. Well, that's your special price. I was going to hoard the whole entire strand, and then I was like, you know what? I'm going to share them first before I hoard the rest. I think this would be such a nice bar style necklace, where you put like 3 or 5 in the center and wire wrap it onto chain. What do you think, Shelby? Super cute, right?
That's so cute.
Yeah.
I might just buy some for myself.
And with gold wire. Huzzah. All right. And do, and the very last thing, these are from my personal stash. These are Bali sterling silver bead caps. These are like something I got like over 2 decades ago. 10 for $10. Special price for you. Hello, Waffles. Waffles is here and she's like, oh my God, I love those bead caps. Well, I think she said that with a little lick on my leg. So here they are. Very beautiful. And I will offer them in this tin box. And in a couple months, I will take the rest home. Are they pretty, Shelby? You can stack them up and use them as spacers, or you can just put on 2.
That's so cute.
Bead caps are like the best enhancers. If you've never used bead caps before, I highly recommend them. All right. thank you for watching. I'm going to give you a little aloha, a little pachako wave. Have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you next week with the next Tin Box installment. Ahui ho!
Yay!
Yay! Fast. No need to edit, right?